Okay, so here are the layouts for the Kit Club for February. Beautiful soft, using some fun techniques, using liquid drops or liquid pearls, whatever you have, but it's all in the pack. I'm going to dress up some chipboard with some gorgeous papers, specially printed, and we're going to be coloring some seam binding using a fun new technique. Moving on to the next layout for the Kit Club, we have a gorgeous, bright and happy page. Lots of fun techniques with blending, using your watercolor paints. You will be dressing this up using your watercolor paints, as well as that beautiful melange pebble. Fabulous techniques, just lots of fun. You'll be coloring your chipboard. You get everything in the pack that you need: the glitter, the paper, the watercolors, everything. And the last project is a travel project. Lots of fun techniques as well, using some art stones, some stenciling. You even get your glimmer mist in the pack that you need to dress up these tags. All the elements. There we go. Hope you'll enjoy it.